Hey, what's up guys? This is RedTux TK here again with another video. This is episode 4 of Animal Crossing Wild World Town Tours. Oh, that's kind of a tongue twister there. Anyway, we're here in Suburbia. This is Victoria's town. I also met Victoria on the Animal Crossing community. And actually, the weird thing is, this was supposed to be episode 3, but I accidentally recorded the top screen instead of the bottom, so major fail on my part. That was horrible. But we're back now, and actually Victoria has changed a couple things. There's some new patterns I'm seeing. Looks like some rocks, which were here before, but now there's some kind of magic carpets on the ground too, and those are nice. Aladdin's a good movie. You guys should watch it. Let's go look for the house, shall we? Ooh, roses. Gold roses over there too. Nice. How you doing, Victoria? Good to see you. You got style. You got I think that's a Jacob's ladder in your hair. Nice. You got mail, you might want to check that. You have a small house. Let's go see what's in it. Awesome. A what? A sold out sign? What'd you sell? That's cool. I've never seen anybody else with those before. Basically, the sold out signs you can get and put them in your house if you have an action replay. There's a lot of action replay people around nowadays. Oh man, I was trying to turn that music off. Oh, cabin stuff. I need cabin stuff. Nice. I think the highlight of this room is that sold out sign. Anything up here? No, not yet. Shame. Oh, I like the water pattern. That's kind of awesome. Pears. Can I shake a tree? She's watching me. I'm gonna do it anyway. Oh! Oh gosh. I didn't. No. I didn't do it. Here. Take them back. I didn't do it. This is all I came for. Not really. Never mind. You guys won't even be able to see me eat. And there's no fun in that, so I won't eat it now. I'll eat it later. Nice patterns. I like this. This is good. Let's see. I was looking for Bill in the last town tour. Let's see if I can find him here. Oh, still no Bill. And actually, her name in the game is Katsu, but her real name is Victoria. So I'm going to visit the animal Victoria, which is right next to me. How convenient. Let's go in. Wow, some kind of country giraffe. Or a wrestler giraffe. A country wrestler. I don't know. Cool. I tricked her. I'm actually not going to play. So now she's not going to play because she thinks I'm gonna play, but I'm not gonna. And that's how I win. But I'm not playing. That was, I don't even know. Never mind. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Weeds. I mean, it was one thing to see dead flowers, but weeds, come on. Come on, Victoria. Just kidding. It's hard sometimes, I know. I'm kind of lost. Where am I going? Where's Nooks? I'm gonna find Nooks. I'm trying to be careful with flowers. That's another reason I don't do... Ooh. I would try to go in there, but I don't know the password, so never mind. Where is the shop? Hey, a pool area. Awesome. Here we go. Alright. And there's magic carpets everywhere. I love calling them that too. Nook and Go? Is this Nook and Go? Hey. What you got? What you got? What you got? You got nothing. You got zilch. This is disgusting. And I already have cabin, carpet, and wall, so... this looks more like a fast food restaurant, so... you might want to clean up your your outfit a little bit, you know? Take the hat off and... yeah. Maybe start calling this place Nook Way and start changing your ways. See ya, Nick. You jerk. Shh. My dog's barking. Oh my, I didn't mean it. I didn't even do it. I didn't, no. I don't run in towns and I don't destroy flowers. So, I didn't do it. Well, awesome town. I'm kind of cutting the video short, but very nice. I definitely enjoy the magic carpets because I'm a huge fan of Aladdin too. So, I mean, and it's nighttime too, so you got this set up perfectly, Victoria. But yeah, awesome. So yeah, that'll be it for this episode. Once again, if you guys are interested in me doing a tour in your town, you can send me a message, leave a comment, or do that on the YouTube or Animal Crossing community, and I'll see it, I'll find it, and I'll find you and your town. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.